Hello everybody, welcome to Forging Ahead with Headlam. So I don't know if you remember that 2 weeks ago I said I was going to do a 2-week fast, and essentially I said I was going to cut out coffee for 2 weeks, and I'm proud of myself because I have not had coffee in 2 weeks, right? So I'm so happy. I think I can probably go another week without it, but let's see. I actually feel good. I started to exercise, my body feels better, all the aches and pains are now gone because I know, girl, I get old now, but the aches and pains are gone in my knees and feet, and I feel good. If you have not started your exercise fasting journey, it's not too late. It's really dependent on you as an individual and what your needs are, but me feel good. Honestly, I won't be doing a lot of talking tonight, but what I'll be telling you about is, or giving you an update about, is Safi Maintenance. Just sharing some videos and photos with you about the cleaning service. So Safi Maintenance is a cleaning service that cleans upholstery. So whether it is car interior or just your sofa, your cloth chairs, your upholstery, your mattresses, those are the things that are cleaned by Safi Maintenance, right? So if you're not interested, you can share this video with your friends, your family, so that they can benefit from it if they want that service. The new number is 876-204-0118. 876-204-0118. So this is not going to be a long video with me chatting away, but you're going to see Safi Maintenance in action. Good day everybody. This is a demonstration of how Safi Maintenance can clean your sofa and your mattress. First, we start by spraying on the water and cleaning solution. Then we begin the extraction process, where we extract the water and the dirt. Wow, look at the dirt that has been extracted. I am sure the owner of this sofa could not have imagined the amount of dirt they were sitting and laying on. We all wash our sheets and pillows, but did you know that sweat, dirt and mites are still in your mattress? Yikes! Don't worry, just call us to clean your mattress as well. Safi Maintenance, your place in safe hands. Follow us on Instagram at Safi_Maintenance and on Facebook at Safi Maintenance. So bye everybody, see you next time.